Hi, welcome back to ViaVia Kitchen with me, Lala. And today is special because people around the world and also Indonesian Muslim are doing fasting because today is Ramadan. And also today I would like to make takjil food that I have mentioned in the previous video. Takjil is food for breaking the fast, and I will make lumpia or lumpia. It's a savory takjil and it's made from vegetables, and I'm using firm tofu, and of course this is vegan friendly. And first of all, I would like to let you know that now I am in ViaVia Guest House. ViaVia Guest House is the sisters of ViaVia Restaurant and also ViaVia Bakery and also ViaVia Travel. We are located near Prawiro Taman Street and not far from ViaVia Resto. So if you come here, come to Jogja, don't forget to come by. And now back in the menu for today. As I've told you before, today I'm making lumpia. I will make lumpia. And lumpia is famous or known before long ago from Chinese, and it's from Hokkien language. Lun or lum itself means soft, and pia it means savory batter. And because people from Chinese came to Java, is duplicated and it changed the filling from pork to chicken or shrimp and young bamboo root and also with egg. So today I recook the filling with tofu and also fresh vegetables. Now let's start to cook. First, I will chop the garlic, 3 garlic, and also onion. If you like to add with chicken and shrimp and egg, it's also possible, but today I will make into vegan version, so it's more light and also healthy. Two leeks. It's very common for Indonesian people to eat gorengan or fritters. There's so many kind of fritters, and one of them is lumpia. This is our favorite fritters in here. Okay, after finishing preparing the ingredients, we have garlic and onion and also leeks. First of all, I will fry the tofu. Prepare about 3 tablespoons of soya oil. You can use olive oil. Wait until the oil is a little bit warm and then put in the tofu. Fry the firm tofu until it's a little bit golden brown, but not too dry. Here for the filling, I'm using firm tofu and then carrot and also bean sprout. And for the tips, do not stir too often because you can break the tofu and the shape is not too good. So after the tofu turn into a little bit brown, I will put in the garlic and also the onion and also the leek over here. Saute until the garlic and the smell is good. And also if the onion already caramelized, it means that you can put another ingredients. Usually I put in the hard vegetable first, like carrot. Then I mix all of together here. With the tofu. And then carrot. And then I will season with 1 teaspoon of salt. And then 2 teaspoons of sugar, white sugar, and also pepper. Half teaspoon of pepper. Then mix it all again, stirring up. Then here I'm using 100 ml of water. Cook for about 1 minute. Don't cook too long because the crunchiness is not good, to avoid the crunchiness of the veggie. And so for the second tip, if you want to use shrimp or chicken, put in the first. So after you saute the garlic and also the leek and also the onion, and then put in the chicken and also the shrimp, and then cook until the chicken turn into white color. It means that another ingredient is ready to be put in the one pan. And also don't forget to seasoning well. So after 1 minute, I will put in the bean sprout. Again, cook for 1 minute, just to make sure that the seasoning is already absorbed in the vegetables. Is it also possible if you like to add with egg batter and then put in here, then you make a scrambled egg. It's good also and delicious. Okay, the filling is done. I will turn off the fire. Then I will start to put in the lumpia skin like this. But before that, I will make sure that the filling is already cold. Okay, after the filling is already cold, and now you have to prepare 2 tablespoons of maizena and add with water, about 3 teaspoons of water. consistency is like this. It used to stick the lumpia skin. So here I'm using ready to use lumpia skin. Put the filling. And then fold it like you make an envelope. And then stick with the maizena. And fold it. Like you make a roll. And then put aside. I will make one more time. Anyways, there's two kind of lumpia. We have fried lumpia and unfried style. It's same delicious, but it's according to your preference. But right now, I make the fried lumpia or spring roll. Like this. And finish until, and do the rest until the filling is finished. Okay. After your spring roll is ready, now it's time to fry the spring roll. Prepare the cooking oil. Here I'm using the soya oil. Wait until it's a little bit warm, and then the spring roll is ready to be fried. The method is deep frying. Wait until each side is going brown, and then put in the strainer after the spring roll is turned into golden brown. And now the spring roll is ready, and it's ready to serve. And it's also suitable for the tea time snack. And we are proud because in 2004, lumpia is becoming one of the Nusantara heritage. And this is vegetables lumpia for today. And I hope you remake this at home because it's very healthy and yummy. So if you have any question, you can drop in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video. Stay healthy and bye now.